Let's get started. Create a new composition. Go to Composition, New, and create a new composition. Name the composition to Fire. For this I'm using 1280 by 720 pixel and the frame per second is 24. Duration of this composition is 10 seconds. Click OK. Go to Layer and now create a new solid layer and name it to BG. For this I'm using black color solid layer. Click OK. We have to add a text to this composition. Go to Composition, create a new comp and name it to Text. Grab a text tool and now add a text of your choice. For this I'm using Agency FB font. Align the text to the middle. Select the text layer and right-click. Go to Create and click Create Mask from the text. Go to Layer and add new white solid layer. Move the layer to the bottom of the mask text layer. And change the track matte to Luma Matte. Copy the mask text layer and paste it in the original Fire composition. Go to Projects and drag the text composition to the Fire composition. Make this composition 3D. Now create a new solid again and name it Element. Go to Effects and Presets. And Video Copilot. Select the Element 3D plugin for this layer. Go to Custom Layers, and to Custom Text and Masks. In Path 1, select the masked text layer. Go up and click the Scene Setup. A new window comes up. Click on Extrude. Go to Presets and select a shader or presets. Select the shader as per your need. But it should be similar to Fire or Golden color. Change the bevel scale to 0.25. Click OK. Now we have to create Fire. For this we have to use Trapcode Particular. Create a new solid layer and name it to Particles 1. Go to Effects and Presets and then to Trapcode. Select Particular Effect. Add this to the particle layer. Go to Emitter and change emitter type to Layers. Go to Layer Emitter and select the text composition. Change particles per second to 300,000. Before making any other changes, go back again to Text Composition. And select Masked Text Layer. Go to Effects and Presets and Noise and Grain. And add Turbulent Noise. Now change Fractal Type from Soft Linear to Rocky. Change Contrast from 100 to 250. Press Alt button and click Stopwatch button next to Evolution, to add a script. Now add a script. That is Time multiple by 50. Now go to Particles. Change Life per second to 0.1. And Size to 0. Go to Physics section and to Air. Change Wind X to 250. Wind Y to -125 and Wind Z to -200. Now go to Turbulence field. Change Effect Position to 10. Fade in Time to 0.2 seconds. Go to O section. Change Emit Type to Continuously. Change Particle per second to 50. Life per second to 0.3. Life Random percentage to 100. Blend Mode to add. Change Size to 1. Change Opacity to 100. And Opacity Random to 100. Change Color from at the start to over Life. Color Random percentage to 100. Now go to Color of Life and click Gradient Presets. Change both the colors. One into light brown and other into red color. Go below to Physics and change Wind Effect to 100 and Turbulence Position to 100. Go to Rendering section. And to Motion Blur. Change Motion Blur to 1 and Shutter Angle to 60. Go up and also change Size Random percentage to 100. Now we have created a thick layer of Fire. Go to Particles 1 layer and duplicate it, by pressing Ctrl D. Name it as Particle 2. Click Toggle Switch button to change the mode. And change Normal mode to Screen mode for both the Particles layers. Go to Physics section, and change the Physics time factor to 0.8. Go to Air and change the Move with Wind to 150. Now go to O section. Change Emit Probability percentage to 50. Particles per second to 10. Change Life per second to 0.4. Feather to 100. Change Size to 3. Make some changes with Opacity over Life and smooth it once done. Go to Color of Life and change the colors. Use light brown and rust color for the same. Go to Rendering section to blur the layer more. Change Shutter Angle to 1080. Change Type from Linear to Subframe Sample. And change Levels from 0 to 24. Go up and also change the Wind effect to 60. Before moving forward, we have to add more blur to this layer. Go to Effects and Presets and add a Fast Blur effect to this layer. Change the blurriness to 4. Now add another effect. That is CC Vector Blur. Change the amount to 15. And Ridge Smoothness to 0.50. Go back again to the Particles 2 layer and duplicate it again and rename it to Particles 3. This layer we are adding, as we want sparks in the fire. Go to Effects panel and remove the Fast Blur and CC Vector Blur effect from the Particles 3 layer. Go to O section. Change Emit Probability to 10. Change Particles per second to 15. Size to 1.5. Wind effect to 300 and Turbulence position to 300. Make some change to the colors accordingly. Now we have to add more effect to the fire. Add an adjustment layer from the layer menu. And name it as Glow. Go to Effects and Presets and add a glow effect to this adjustment layer. Change glow threshold to 25%. Glow radius to 40. And glow intensity to 0.2. Change glow colors from original to and B colors. Change color of A to light yellow. And color of B to golden. Select the glow effect and press Ctrl D to duplicate it again. Change glow threshold to 30%. Glow radius to 350. Glow intensity to 0.1. Change glow colors back to original colors. Now add another adjustment layer and rename it to Shine. To have a better look, go to Effects and Presets and to Trapcode and select Shine Effect. Move the median point to extreme left corner. Change ray length to 0.4 and shine opacity to 35. Also change the highlight color to light yellow. So guys, here is the fire effect. But you can add more effects like smoke in the background or add a camera effect to have a good animation. If you like my video, so please like it, and if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to learn more good tutorials.